Good morning and welcome to Elven Acre Farms. This morning, Veronica and I were out doing what, Veronica?
Pulling barbed wire fence.
Yeah, trying to take out fence posts, but they put up a good fight and we weren't able to get too many out. So you might be wondering why everybody's wearing sunglasses and safety glasses today. Tell people what we found, Veronica.
We found a geode while we were working.
Yeah, I was trying to get a fence post out and had plenty of time to look around as I pulled and pushed on it and tried to get it out. But I spotted the circular rock, so I asked Veronica to dig it out of the leaves. And at first I thought maybe it was a tennis ball or something, but then we found out it was a rock for sure. And so now we're going to try and crack it open and see what it looks like inside. All right. Okay, put it on top of there, Veronica. Put your glasses on this.
Where?
Put it right on top of here.
Here.
The flat part. Yeah. Let's see. Is there a crack a little bit? There it is. Okay. Okay. Try it like that. Put your glasses on, Veronica. Or Sonia. Glasses on. No, glasses on you. Not on the rock. Put your glasses on. Thank you. Ready? Here we go.
Yes. What does it look like?
Let's see. Hang on, hold it here. It looks like it's solid.
What's solid?
Doesn't have an empty hole in the middle.
Can we take our safety?
Not yet. Let me try and crack it one more time. Just see if maybe there's something in there. Yeah, a little bit of stuff in the middle there.
Can I take my safety? Is it a geode?
Yes. It's a geode, yep. There, Nathaniel, show the camera that piece. Here, look. Out of the way, guys, so we have some sunlight here, please. Thank you. So a little bit of space in the middle. It's kind of more like an egg than a real empty crystal geode. So. All right, well, sorry it wasn't too exciting and sparkly this morning, but that's what we found. Don't smash it together, sir. You mess it up.
Did it have to grow better?
No, that's just how this one was.
Look.
Not all of them have holes in the middle. So. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Take care.